shrinks the box?
The light one.
The light one, good choice. And then what size do we typically wear?
7.
Perfect. I got that right here for you, my friend. Seems like that might be a little silly. There we go. And then Aurora does share a magic wand with Rapunzel. Is that okay? I see that you like Rapunzel. There you go, my friend. Curly said we would like to take a seat. I'm gonna bring a little hair bun with a braid and a bow. This one we got 3 different things. So these 2 are buns. This one's with a tiara up in the front or a big bow up in the front. This one's just curly hair on the side, kind of like Maribel. We got that same curly hair up in the top in flowers and a princess ponytail in flowers. I'll hand this to the girlies. I'm gonna set up the fitting room. I'll be back in a moment, okay? Thank you so much. Yeah? Do you sing to your hair to make it grow like Rapunzel? No? It's just with the help of the queen and fairy godmother. That's how it works. I like that. I like that. So how we're gonna do? We're gonna bring your princess hair all the way. 3, bibbidi bobbidi boo.
Oh, hello, my dear. Oh, you're growing as fast as a pumpkin. Now today is going to be a very special day for you. So let's get things started with, oh dear me. What did I do with that magic wand? Let's see, no. Oh, of course. Now you know the magic words, don't you, dear? Bibbidi, bobbidi, boo! Yes, I think that should be just enough to make your dreams come true. Hurry along, my dear. Your fairy godmother apprentice is waiting for you.
So you've been here before? Here or?
Yep, that's one.
Keep going.
Promise I won't bite. Yeah, I'm not gonna.
All right, Sir Mickey's right over there. Once you're done, you'll take up to Sir Mickey's for photos, okay?
Yeah.
Is that your favorite thing to have for breakfast? I'm gonna have you hold my magic here.
Well, let's just say it was 55. We started learning more about that'll be really cool. So I think you should absolutely because this has